We are a hand tool company and our core audience is electricians, but we found a lot of growth and opportunity to reach other trades through our drivers. And in particular, this is something we typically made about 5 years ago, and a classic multi-bit, very reliable. But there's another advantage we started noticing, another trend of all our customers love power tools and using everything with it. And so bridging the gap between our hand tools and our power tools. And so that's what we're doing with our new drivers today. Starting with our flip sockets. So this is our 7-in-1 impact flip socket. And so we store 2 sockets on the back of the impact adapter. And so you can interchange them, you can flip them around. And the neat thing about this is we actually have a built-in bit holder. So you can do shallow hex bolts, like tapcons, but if you just move it up ever so slightly, it becomes a bit holder and rests into place. You can attach it to an impact driver. Another thing too, it's completely compatible with a lot of our new drivers we're coming out today. You can buy it with the handle, or you can just always use it on your impact. Another tool I'm really excited to announce, and you can buy this at Lowe's today, is our Impact 11-in-1, and specifically this is our ratcheting version. So we have a built-in ratcheting system. The dial's right on, easy to grab, easy to ratchet, but every single component, just like the flip sockets, you can chuck to your impact. And so whether it's you're running square 2, or if you want to do 5/16 with the power nut driver, we have that ability and capability through this driver. And then we want to take it to the next level. And in that is connecting all our systems together. So we have our flip sockets, we have our pass-through sockets, and all of these other impact accessories. And so now we're starting to unite them, and we call it Klein Connect. And so Klein Connect is basically a pass-through connection system that we're integrating through all our products. And so you'll notice this pass-through set, you can attach these for any low profile axis, but what's interesting is that you can also connect it to our handles or our multi-bit drivers. And so you can connect this, and now it's a ratcheting nut driver, and you have all of these sockets to do it. Our Klein Connect system is also impact rated, and so if you want to put this on your impact, you're more than able to. And then finally, we have adapters for our flip socket system that help us integrate the whole system to be one united front. And going back to this Impact 11-in-1, you can chuck it right here and connect anything with a 1/4-inch impact. And now you have a ratcheting handle for it. Whatever tool you need, whatever application you're facing on the job, we try to provide that and bring that through our tools and all the compatibility that we have to offer.